The era of flip phones is back and better than ever, and Vivo X Fold2 is leading the pack with its latest offering. The previous iteration of this device was already close to perfection, but the new model manages to surpass it in every way possible. One of the standout features of the X Fold2 is its impeccable appearance. The solid metal frame and leather stylized rear panel make for a sleek design that's both elegant and sophisticated. The dual AMOLED display screens, with the auxiliary 6.53-inch AMOLED screen, offer bright and vibrant colors, while the 120Hz refresh rate and oleophobic coating make for a smooth and seamless experience while gaming or surfing the web. The X Fold2 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which is a significant upgrade over the previous model. The chipset's performance and energy efficiency, combined with 12GB or 16GB of RAM and the Adreno 740 graphics core, make it a gaming powerhouse. You can run the most demanding games like Genshin Impact, Fortnite, and Wreckfest, with the highest graphics presets and frame rates that exceed the usual 30 frames per second. The battery life of the X Fold2 is also impressive, lasting for up to 1.5 days with its 4800 mAh battery. Charging options include both wired and wireless charging. The internal memory is available in 256 or 512GB with the fastest UFS 4.0 format. The camera capabilities of the X Fold2 are nothing short of excellent. The quartet of 50, 48, 12, and 8 megapixel photo sensors, along with 2 telephoto lenses with 2x and 5x optical zoom, capture the widest range of shooting scenarios with exceptional quality. The stereo sound is loud and smooth in terms of frequency response. The X Fold2 also comes with NFC and 5G network support, but there's no moisture protection due to the design features. The only drawback is the price, which is on the higher side, but it's a small price to pay for a futuristic device with many competitive advantages. In conclusion, the Vivo X Fold2 is a next-level flip phone that offers cutting-edge technology, exceptional design, and unmatched performance. It's a device that's worth every penny for those who want the best in mobile technology.